What's up, world? This is Marsha Island Empress for 617 Live TV, and we are here at Peep and Glow with Lion Entertainment. As you can see, in just a few moments, we're about to board the Provincetown 2. If you're not here, we're gonna show you what it's all about. Live performances, so stay tuned. 617 Live.
Don't care if I whine on you, I want you start whining back. When the music start to flow, make sure your waistline intact now. Don't care if I whine on you, I want you start whining back. When the music start to flow, make sure your waistline intact now. We having a time this year, every line we there. Come rain or shine, we up in that now. Look well woman everywhere, it's a love affair. Man and woman does whine and end up on the ground. They call me Mr. Fett, since I'm born I never miss one yet. If sun shining I dripping sweat, thunderstorm and I soaking wet. They say Mr. Fett you're mad, and I say Mr. Fett you're mad. I come here to get on bad. Fetting is we name, we don't play, we going night and day. No Fett get tire way, we coming again. Every day, we full of energy. It's Fett they calling way, like that is we name. Don't care if I whine on you, I want you start whining back. When the music start to flow, make sure your waistline intact now. Don't care if I whine on you, I want you start whining back. When the music start to flow, make sure your waistline intact now.
Yeah, how the party I look so. Da, how the party I look so. How my girl them turn up and I look so. What you do to me? Selector, bounce a wanna feed the girl them bubble pan. If you love to see the girl them a bubble, put up your hand. You play a song, the girl star bus blank. Now the girl them time, play a song, the girl white. Watch, big selector a player, you no rookie. Catch the baseline, watch the girl them a should be. Hey, when the girl them a dip it and a drop it, you a batty man. If you not happy, follow me then. Y'all a dash out, so me glad me come out. Ready for left, what you talking about? Road me live, me no want see no house. We a rave and a wait, and the sun to come out.
Wine pan the body, me a wine pan the body. Wine pan the body, me a wine pan the body. Wine pan the body, me a wine pan the body. Back it up, come wine pan the body. Wine pan the body, me a wine pan the body. Wine pan the body, me a wine pan the body. Wine pan the body, me a wine pan the body. Back it up, come wine pan the body.
Love how you sit down and wine pan the head. You have the boom, them gal the fuck dead. Baby when you squint it, you mash up me head. Me and me gal a fuck till we jump off a bed. Ooh. Me say gal fi beg, gal fi get fucked till them can't feel them leg. Woman a fuck gal and a treat them like egg. Woman want feel like them just don't shake. Me love sex like my gun. Me love bust it up and me love fuck for fun. But how I speak when me under me rum and she do the stripper wine there fi fight fi no come car. Gyal you have the gum, or you get so much and she no have none. A guy get one him fi one box, so me make big top shot out a beat like a drum when you
wine pan the body, me a wine pan the body. Wine pan the body, me a wine pan the body. Wine pan the body, me a wine pan the body. Back it up, pound wine pan the body. Wine pan the body, me a wine pan the body. Wine pan the body, me a wine pan the body. Wine pan the body, me a wine pan the body. Back it up, pound wine pan the body.
my girl you think.
Those are some exclusive shots of Peep and Glow, sponsored by Lion Entertainment. I want to thank everybody for having a great time. The ladies were looking fly. The guys had their West Indian swag on, and it was wonderful. So definitely check us out at 617live.tv. I had nothing but love from the ladies who were complimenting me on my outfit. Big ups to Tisharina, UmoyaDesigns.com. Check her out. Haley from TNT by way of St. Thomas. Again, thank you so much for checking in. I'm Marsha Island Empress for 617 Live. Boom.
A buckle and spoon and I begin the dance. I head done gone, so I feel into chant out. And a bottle of rum. You don't need to wine on me in the party. I'm already